Next up in our video series of our 3D bath bomb mold demonstrations, we're going to be doing our North Pole. Just printed that off. This is up on the site already. I can get these in my hand without falling. All right, so this consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a top plunger, and it has the word North Pole on there. So this is one that I don't know, as far as myself is concerned, I don't have the greatest luck with getting words on molds to unmold cleanly. Some of them are better than others, and I've never used this before. So let's go ahead and take a little looky-loo here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give some presses down here on the stake part because I feel like that might be a stress point where it might wanna snap off during unmolding. So I just build up in the corners and down the stake part. And then you just keep on filling. Give it a shake. My bath bomb mixture is very, very clumpy today, and it's only 40% humidity here in the facility. I have my meter right over there. You're probably hearing a lot of noise in the background. I have two dehumidifiers going, plus my air conditioner, plus a fan. So there's a lot going on over here. All right, take our plunger. Turn it upside down, stick it on top of our mold, and give some presses. All right, taps around the outside shell. Taps on the top plunger. Remember, this is where the design is. This is where those words are. Turn it upside down and some taps on the bottom plate. All right, straight up and off with our bottom plate. And now we're going to push up on the bottom. Grab your cardboard, turn it over. Straight up and off with our plunger. Now go real slow, you guys, because this is where the words are. And I personally sometimes have trouble with the words. Again, some molds are better than others. And I've never worked with this one before, so I don't know. Let's find out together, shall we? Straight up and off. Ooh, that came out well. The E isn't altogether intact. That's okay. The rest of it came out pretty decent. There you go. There's your North Pole. Cute. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you would like to purchase this or any of the other molds that we have for sale, you can do so by going to soap-chef.com.